Are you a beginner and you're still finding it difficult to start bead making, not to talk of making a complete set? Come close. This channel is right for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Today I share with you how to make tubular netting earring for this beautiful necklace. In this channel I give you complete tutorial, complete set. Okay, so in my previous video I already shared with you how to make the necklace. So today I share with you how to make the earring for you to have a complete set. Do well to watch to the end. Subscribe, give this video a thumb up, and let's get started. Materials needed. So now cut your line and insert it into your working needle just like so. All right, not too long. Okay, pick first seed bead, pull it down, pass your line through the 4 seed bead, and pull it. After pulling, knot it. Once you are done knotting, this is it. Work your line through the next seed bead and pull it. Pick 7 seed bead. Pass your line through the next seed bead. This is your 9. Pass your line through the next seed bead and pull it. After pulling, this is what you should have. Pick 7 seed bead. Pass your line. This is your fire line. Pass your needle through the next seed bead and pull it. After pulling, this is what your work should look like. Pick 7 seed bead. This is your working line. Pass your needle through the next seed bead and pull it. After pulling, this is how your work should look like. Pick 7 seed bead. This is your working line. Okay, now pass your needle through the 4th seed bead, the next one. Like so, and pull it. So after pulling, this is what you should have. 4 rings, just like so. Okay, so you have 4 rings. Now, this is your working line. Pass your needle through 4 seed bead, the next ring. Okay, pass your needle through 4 seed bead, like so, and pull it. Make sure your work is firm. Okay, so this is your fire line. The next thing to do now is pick 1 crystal bead and pass your needle through the 4th bead. We have 7 seed bead in a ring. Then pass your needle through the 4th bead. The 4th bead stands for the middle bead of the ring. Okay, like so. And pull it. This is what your work should look like. Now, repeat the same process. Pass your needle through the fourth bead from the ring. 1, 2, 3. The fourth bead, we stand for the middle bead. Just like so, okay? And pull it. After pulling, this is how your work should look like. Repeat the same process again. Pick one crystal bead and pass your needle through the fourth bead in the next ring, like so, and pull it. After pulling, this is how your work should look like. Repeat the same process one more time. Pick one crystal bead and pass your needle through the fourth bead of the next ring. The fourth bead, okay? And pull it. And this is what you should have. Now, pull everything together so tight, okay? Pull it so tight, okay? Now, let's go. So, after pulling everything so tight, okay? So, this is what your work should look like, okay? You see that? We have four crystal bead, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 4 seed bead, one each at the middle of the crystal bead. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do now is pick 7 seed bead. All right, now pass your needle through the next seed bead that is in between the crystal bead. Okay, the seed bead in between the crystal bead, just like so, and pull it. After pulling, this is what you have. You see the seed bead round the crystal bead. Now pick 7 seed bead, then pass your needle through the next seed bead in between the crystal bead, like so, and pull it. After pulling, this is what your work should look like. Okay, pick 7 seed bead, pass your needle through the next seed bead in between the crystal bead, okay, just like so, and pull it. Always make sure your work is firm. So this is what you have. Now let's repeat this for the last time to cover this up. Pick 7 seed bead. Okay, now pass your needle through the last seed bead in between the crystal bead. This one right here, like so, and pull it. And after pulling, this is what your work should look like. Okay, you see that? See how beautiful it is looking like? So the next step, we are going to step up by passing our needle. This is your working line, okay? Then pass your needle through 4 seed bead. I'll pass it like so into 4 seed bead and pull it. So this is what you have, lovelies. It's beautiful, right? Please, as you are watching, give this video a thumb up. Please share it if you can. Leave me your comment. Ask any question down below. All right? Now, pick 1 crystal bead. This is your line. Pass your needle through the 4th bead, the middle bead in between the 7 seed bead, like so, and pull it. So this is what you have. Pull it. Okay, pick 1 crystal bead, pass your needle through the 4th bead, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth bead, the middle bead, just like so, and pull it. Pick one crystal bead, pass your needle through the fourth bead. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth bead right here, and pull it. Pick one crystal bead, this is the fourth one, then pass your needle through the fourth bead right here, direct beside the crystal bead, like so, and pull it. Pull your work so tight. So this is what you have. This is what your work should look like. As you can see. You see that? Now we have 4 crystal beads and 4 seed beads. Seed bead in between the crystal beads. Okay? Pick 7 seed bead. Then pass your needle through the next seed bead. Okay, the seed bead in between the crystal bead, and pull it. Pick 7 seed bead, like so. Pass your needle through the next seed bead in between the crystal bead, like so, and pull it. Pick 7 seed bead, like so. Pass your needle through the next seed bead, like so, and pull it, okay? Now for the last time, pick 7 seed bead, okay? And then pass your needle through the last seed bead in between the crystal bead, just like so. I hope you can see it, and pull it. And after pulling, this is what you have. Okay, now the next thing, pass your needle through 4 seed beads to step up, like so, okay, and pull it. Once that is done, we repeat the same process. We pick 1 crystal bead and pass our needle through the next bead. 1 crystal bead, pass your needle through the fourth bead. 1 crystal bead, pass your needle through the fourth bead, like so. That is all for this step. Now we are going to round up our earring. Okay, now repeat the same process what we did here, picking 7 seed bead and going round the crystal bead. Okay, pick 7 seed bead, work your needle through the next seed bead in between the crystal bead, and pull it. Pick 7 seed bead, work your needle through the next seed bead, and pull. Pick 7 seed bead, pass your needle through the next seed bead in between the crystal bead, like so, and pull. Pick 7 seed bead, this is the last one. Pass your needle through the last seed bead in between the crystal bead, just like so, and pull it. So now we are done going round the crystal bead with the seed beads. Now we are rounding up by what? Pass your needle through 4 seed bead upward, like so, like we are stepping up, pull it. Now without picking any crystal bead, pass your needle through the fourth bead, just the way we have been doing the middle bead, like so, and pull. Same process, without picking any crystal bead. Same process, your needle into the fourth bead without picking any crystal bead, and pull. For the last time, the middle bead without picking any crystal bead, like so, and pull. So now this is what you have. Don't pull it so tight yet. All right, just leave it like so and set it aside. Now pick your cap pin and your size 4 crystal bead. Okay, your cap pin, your crystal bead, insert this crystal bead into the cap pin like so. Now take your plier and then look at what I'm doing. This is what you have. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now repeat this process for the second cap pin. Now pick your beaded earring, insert this in it like so, and then pull your line. Pull it so tight, make sure it is holding it. I hope it is clear. You see that? Now, the next thing is to work your line through the 4 seed bead. Through the 4 seed bead as much as possible time you can pass through the seed bead, okay? So once that is done, knot it and then secure the rest of the line and cut it. So knot, you pass your needle down through the line, through the thread, okay? Like so, just to form a loop. See that? And then pass your needle in it and pull. So you do this for 4 to 5 times to make sure you secure your line properly. So after knotting, secure your line by working it through some bead, then you cut the rest of the fire line, okay? For this also, pass it through some seed bead and cut it out. So this is what we have, okay? We are done beading the earring. See how beautiful it is. Now pick your jump ring and your earring, okay? So guys, this is what we have. So whenever you are making this type of earring, once you are done with this, make use of good earring, okay? This is just for tutorial purposes, all right? So at this point, you can use a very beautiful earring, okay? But for tutorial purposes, that is why I'm using this earring, okay? So we are done with the earring. See how beautiful it is. So make the second pair of the earring and let's meet together. So this is it, guys. We are done making our beautiful tubular earring. This is how beautiful it is looking like. Appreciate you. This is the necklace. And this is the bracelet. See how beautiful it is. So we have our complete set here. Thank you all for watching. Please do give this video a thumb up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification bell. So we have our necklace, bracelet and earring. Thank you all for watching. Remain blessed until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.